Thank you for watching Carter's Tiny Homestead. This day we're at our other property that has a lot of our fruit trees. My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed her baby. Now I'm back in town on the Carter's Tiny Homestead. Look at this beauty. This is a nectarine. See, look, they're falling off. There's so many of them. We can't eat them all quick enough. Look at them. Oh, that just popped off the vine. Oh. Mm. 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 I didn't check to see if it had bugs in it first, but let me tell you, it sure was delicious though. Mm. 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 Oh, look at this pumpkin. Oh man, look at this pumpkin plant. Look at it. It's doing such a good job. Oh, and this is our peach tree. Or is this one the nectarines? I think nectarines are smaller because the reen part sounds... Oh, oop, oop. Mm. They're not quite ripe. That's all right. Mm. It's juicy. Mm. I'm not even hating that it's not soft like the nectarines are, but I don't think these get soft. Oh my goodness. Mm. It's like eating like a crispy a crispy juicy so good. So good. Sweet. Juicy. And yeah, I told you I needed sandals. Mm.
Look, I have a new potato plant growing.
Did you dig your potatoes out?
No.
You gotta get the potatoes out. How are you gonna eat them?
I'm just gonna let them go again.
Just... Oh. So I'm gonna pick some nectarines, pick some peaches. Oh, I'm gonna pick nectarines, I'm gonna pick peaches, and I'm gonna make a delicious jelly in the Instapot. Stick around and find out just how it turns out.
Yeah, these nectarines are delicious.
Yes, they are. They're so juicy.
Mm-hmm. They're perfect.
Oh my goodness! Like, I just bit into these. These aren't nectarines. These are peaches, aren't they?
These are nectarines.
Then what are those ones?
Those are peaches.
Oh, I got it mixed up. I thought nectarines were small because the nectarine, like it sounds like it would be little.
These are like bigger than the ones you get.
Oh, snaps. Look at these blackberries.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. OMG. OMG, OMG. Ooh.
But she said that they were kind of sour.
Mmm. Mmm.
I love grabbing these peaches.
Mmm.
They're so good.
Yes, it is.
But see, they keep dropping, and then like I
take them to the
pick
chickens.
up. Yeah, I was gonna get the rake and rake them.
Yeah. Or even throw them in the compost.
Yeah,
But I don't know about the
too.
seeds though. I don't know how that works.
I don't know. I've been throwing the nectarines and the peaches in there.
So good. And this pumpkin is doing well. Dang it. I wasn't expecting it to. The pumpkin plant right here, when I had put it there, oh, look at that zucchini. I don't think you can call that a zucchini.
Shit, I didn't even see
that ain't no zucchini. That's a zucchini.
Damn.
Dang
It's
it.
gross so fast. I don't know what to do with them.
I'm going to take this one home and eat it.
Yeah, please do.
I'm going to make me some fried zucchini.
There's that other big ass one in there too.
Dang it.
Will you help me pick this plant?
Yeah.
Because I had to tip it over because the one that was like that big or bigger.
Dang it. This thing is bigger than my arm.
Yeah.
Here, let's put it next to your body. It's longer than your torso. Dang. Here, let me set this.
Tree.
You know what I'm saying?
If you take them off the tree and you let them sit for like a couple of hours,
Oh.
then it like releases the juices.
Dang it, so good. Now what do you want me to do? Look at it, keep rolling. Smells like vinegar.
Use your butt.
No, it's not. It isn't.
But yeah, why is it growing like this? All twisted.
Oh, probably because of the fencing and stuff being on it.
Ah.
Like it just caused it to not grow out.
Yeah,
It just grew
that
like.
one spread out, but this one just jungled up.
Dang it, this is so good. And your tree colors are looking good. They don't have those bugs on them. That's good.
I know. I'm hella glad they don't.
Stupid bugs. Stupid
But
bugs.
you see how that patch right there is growing? It's growing like really weird. Like it won't grow upward. It just keeps growing outward.
It's looking fine. Look at this
I
this
mean, they taste fine.
blackberry bush is looking good too. Got to figure out a way to keep it confined.
Yeah, because it's isn't this weeds?
No,
All the plants.
this is the plant. Oh, this is the part I'm talking about. The stuff that's these are shooters that try and find
like squash or pumpkin.
yeah. And so these we just want them to fold back in. I'm glad there's no thorns on it. How did that happen?
Well, did you see this pumpkin?
Yeah, isn't that neat?
No.
So
It's just the one. So far. I've only seen that one. Whoops.
have you been eating your onions? Oh, eat those green onions in there. They're good.
I did before.
Snip off the tops. Put them in everything. Put them in
I
anything.
cut off those bulbs from the top.
Oh, the hideous ones? Oh, did you plant them?
No, I threw them in that bucket over there.
This bucket?
No, that orange bucket over there.
Oh, put them in the ground. Those are seeds.
No.
But they're seeds. Oh, this branch broke. Poor branch. Whose branch? And why is she poor?
Some of them are really ugly though.
Yeah, the other one was good to the chickens.
I love these peaches. The ones that I took over there, did Mom cut them up?
Yeah, that's what I'm making the jam out of.
Oh, okay, good.
It's like having your own nectarine orchard.
No, I wanna.
If you want peaches, come pick them. If you want nectarines, come
Well,
pick
there's
'em.
not that many on there left.
$3 a pound. Wait, but that'll only probably be like 2 or 3 of them.
Yeah.
Which I guess I don't have to throw all of them on the ground. It's only the skin that looks like that.
Yeah, some of them are just ugly, I think, from that tree fungus, but
Oh yeah.
but they still taste good. As long as they're not like rotten. Will you make me one of those jars of jam if you have enough?
Oh, there's gonna be so much.
Thank you.
And I'm gonna make it pretty simple. It's gonna be just sugar, lemon juice, and water. And then I'm gonna this is probably all I'm gonna take because we have that bunch at the house.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm taking the zucchini too.
Giant zucchini.
Back.
Oh, wait, no, I need that crate. Take a bag.
You take a bag.
Just get a bag.
You a duffel bag.
I sit
boy.
on that when I feed the kitties. The kittens over there.
Duffel bag girl. Here, let's sit down. You want your cigarette? Gimme.
All right, here, take your phone.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.